Hello and welcome to MFCP Woodworking. I've got my little friend here, Leah, with me again. I'm not going to go into any details on that. She's really nice and cuddly right now, but she's off and wants to play. So in this video, we're going to make her something to play with. So stick around and have a look at what we make.
Well, let's see if we can get this cat a toy. What I'm going to be making is a little spinner top. Might make a couple of them, but I'm freezing out here, so it's not that pleasant out. I'm using some gray birch, a wood I use quite a lot, and speed it up a little bit here. I might press it and screw this up a little. And that's better. Okay, that's running true now. So what we're going to do is what makes a good spinner is a low center of gravity, a nice point on the bottom to run it on, and a nice little handle thing to give it a good spin at the top. I think the cat will love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to form the point first for the bottom. You can do it the other way around, but I prefer to do it this way. Seen from the thing. Okay, no, I don't think it can be. Let me do that around there. Just gonna lean this over so you can have a look at it. That's what I mean by the point for the base. That looks nice. Get this recenter up the way it should be so you can see it. Now from here, once I have this pointed bottom, I get to work in from there. Here to talk about it a little bit. My fingers are getting cold. I'm trying to warm them up. Well, I'm talking here. You see, I'm trying to make a little handle on the end there that's easy to give a flick like that. It'll take me a little bit to chew away at that material, and then I'm gonna try to part it off after I've sanded it. But I got to bring it down quite far, but it's taking on a nice shape, and I'm sure the cat's going to love it. One thing to keep in mind, I'll mention right now, this is very small. You might be tempted to give this to a child. It's a choking hazard. It's too small. If you're going to make one for a child, you're going to make it a lot bigger than this. This isn't intended for children at all. It's intended for my pet cat, which will be able to handle it quite safely. I don't have any small children that have to worry about picking something like this up and choking on it. So with my hand a little bit warmer here, we'll get back to work on it. Too much pressure on it from the other direction. Sand there, the cat's not going to care that much, but I do want it smooth. Trick is to get it nice and skinny so you get your fingers around it. Draw this out of there because I gotta sand this. Just a simple spinner. Be careful not to break it here. Get our bait back in here, and then we will cut it off. Spinner for the cat. Not perfect. We're gonna sand it a little bit more, and then we're gonna give her a test drive, see how much the cat likes it. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. Freezing my fingers off today. It's close to 0 Fahrenheit in here, and it has not been pleasant to work in, but I wanted to get a video out this week for sure, so because I missed last week. And we're going to see how much a cat likes this. So let's go inside and see what we can do. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. You guys know what to do. Okay, thanks.